Hello, welcome back to Alicia's Creative Paradise. I have a journal flip through for you. This is the soft cover collage journal, and I think it turned out really pretty, so I'm just going to flip through it with you. So I have a sari silk closure, and if you want to see the process video of how I make these, you can watch the previous two videos before this one. And I'm coming out with a part 3 on that as well, so keep an eye out for that. So this is the cover and what it looks like. And I put a tassel on here to kind of match the color scheme on here. So it's some corally reds, some grays, and a little bit of blues. And so I just went ahead and put that in the tassel here, and I have some real pretty beads that I put in. I hope you can see those. They're really pretty. Alright, and so I just put a grommet and attached it like that. It is removable, and just a little bow on top. And so let me just open it, and the inside is the red polka dot fabric, and with a pretty lacy pocket. And I've just got a little bit of ephemera. This is a page that you open up like this. It's really pretty. And then this is that real pretty digital that I was talking about previously, and I just added lace on a lot of the pages. It does have a Digital Fits planner kit in here, and I really like that kit. There's just a mix of digitals in here. And I just added some lace and different things. Here's a pretty pocket with Digital Fit and some tabs. And these were tickets, and I folded them in half and made them into tabs. If you like this idea, I do have in my shop, in my Etsy shop, my digital kit for pockets, tags, and tickets and things. So those that you can print them on any digital and cut them out and ink them up. And this says daily planner here: morning, afternoon, evening, to-do list, goal, tomorrow. I thought that was a really neat kit, so I added that in and printed on the back. This is Home Book and Treasure. I'll link all the digitals below. Here's a real pretty tracing paper that I printed the digital on. I really like that. And then here's that. And once again, I still am at my daughter's. This is my 3rd video today. I'm taking advantage of her extremely fast internet, so I'm downloading a lot of videos while I can do it, because at home I have to sometimes drive down the road to upload a video and get close to the tower. So here's a pretty envelope that I have on here. And then here's the other part. This is really beautiful. I love the pretty butterflies on the coffee dyed paper. This says important task, other tasks. So this would be a good planning journal, and to add in any other papers you want to add in, or photos, or like it could be a planner. Here's some tags. You can journal in the back of these tags. And I made these pockets with a file folder and just collaged on some of the digitals. There's a ledger book paper. Here's 3 of my pockets, and I just loaded them with a lot of little pieces of ephemera. Just slip these in here. There's those, and here's this one, and I just put some lace on there. And here's this one. Please excuse the little dishwasher in the background. She's trying to be a big girl and wash dishes. Because we're visiting my daughters and we're about to make a cake here in a little bit. There's these. But we're having fun. And this is a really pretty page. And here's the center. This has times and task, and should check off if you're done or not. Here's some more ephemera. And I just love this color down here from Digital Fit. They're printable. And here it is again on the tracing paper. This says priorities. You can put a list of priorities there for the year, for the month. Coffee dyed paper. Here's another envelope. Here's another home book and treasure. And this says don't forget with some dotted lines on this paper. Coffee dyed paper. And more ideas. Here's another envelope. Here's the other side of that tracing paper, which I think is so pretty. I love it so much. Home book and treasure with another pocket and some ephemera here. And I just backed that with book page sewed around it. Here's some more pretty lace. Another beautiful big butterfly. Another envelope. And then here's the back. Here's a real pretty tag. I got fabric on the back of this one and sewed around it. There's a vintage letter piece. And this one. And all of these can be written on the back of for like journaling spots. Alright, and there it is. The flip through of the soft cover. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy the process video for making some of these. The sky's the limit. You can pretty much put anything you want on here. I do have these beads on the front. They're square beads. And I just sewed them on and put these pretty bows and then some real pretty sequins in here. I hope you can see those. They're shiny. This was my grandmother's piece here, this corner piece. I got inherited a lot of lace from her, and I'm really enjoying it. So thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe, and I will be back with more videos. And I want to thank you so much for all your support, and have a wonderful day.